Good morning to our distinguished guests, our school administrator, Pastor Jiang Misong, our school principal, Mrs. Minilin H. Gabat, teachers, volunteers, parents, classmates, and friends. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you today. My name is Ravidos from Tecatadero, and I am honored to stand before you today as a proud kindergarten completer. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude. First, to our amazing teachers, you have been our guides, our mentors, and our friends every single day. You have taught us so much how to count, and your love and care have helped us grow in ways we never imagined. We are forever grateful. To our parents, thank you for being our biggest supporters. You encouraged us, cheered us on, and been there for us through it all. We couldn't have done it without you. And to my fellow graduates, you've become my closest friends, my playmates, and my partners in learning. The memories we made together will stay with me forever. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Kindergarten has been an incredible journey. We learned so much how to count, read, write, and make new friends. We discovered the pure joy
Of painting.
painting, singing, and dancing. And through it all, we blossomed into curious, brave, and kind individuals. Now we move on to first grade. We carry all the wonderful memories, lessons, and values gained in kindergarten with us. They will be our guiding lights as we embark on this next week and then next.
Ito walang mic.
Let's take a deep breath. Feel the pride and excitement swelling up inside us. And get ready for what's to come. The future is ours to defend.
Wala ang mic nila.
Ang mic, B.
Ang mic.
Mic lang ka.
Gabi.
Thank you and congratulations to all us kindergarten completers.
Yay! Baw na. Baw na, baw.
Alright, thank you, Rafi. Next, we have our